Girl, look at these curls. Okay, Outre, here we go once again. Girl. Okay, Dominica, whatever your name is, girl. I'm feeling feisty today. You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fair, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throat. When I grow like gold, they grow, and time pass, and flirts are perfect. They will rise, don't lie, bound to rise, down to close. When I grow like gold, they grow, and time pass, and flirts are perfect. They will rise, don't lie, bound to rise, down to close. When I grow like gold, they grow, and time pass, and flirts are perfect. They will rise, don't lie, bound to rise, down to close. When I grow like gold, they grow, and time pass, and flirts are perfect. They will rise, don't lie, bound to rise, down to close. When I grow like gold, they grow, and time pass, and flirts are perfect. They will rise, don't lie, bound to rise, down to close. Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So I'm coming to you guys today with yet another unit from the Outre Perfect Hairline collection. I'm wearing this one in the style Dominica in the color number 2. So let's just pop into the specs, girl. So this unit does come with your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, your adjustable straps, as well as an elastic band. It does have 13x6 parting space. It is pre-plucked, and it also does have the HD lace. And honey, let me just come in and show you this, girl. Look at that lace. It has sort of a white cast. I know you guys are probably picking up on that in camera, but in person it's not as intense as it may be coming off on camera, so don't come for me for that. But other than that, girl, this lace is laid, honey. So the texture on this unit, it definitely is feeling like more on the harsh, coarse side. It kind of is reminding me of like an Afro kinky curly texture, if that makes any sense. So the curls are super tight, and the texture feels more on the rough, scratchy side. It's not more so on the silky side, it's definitely more so on the Yaki side. Now the length on this unit, I'm 5'3" for reference, and it is coming above my boobs, but it definitely has some stretch to it. So as you can see, girl, you could pull the bad boy down and get some more length if that's what you're looking for. So the cap size on this unit is definitely feeling small, medium, and big head friendly. I did go in and adjust the straps almost to the tightest setting, but not all the way, and it is fitting my head perfectly, honey, with no humpage or anything going on in the back. If I had to guess on the density, you guys, I want to say, oh girl, that's not even everything to the front. This is everything to the front. I want to say it's at least 150%, but it's leaning, girl. It's leaning towards 180%. So if you like big hair like me and you don't care, this is going to be the unit for you. I did go in with my Ebin lace tint spray in the color dark brown and just went in underneath and sprayed it down a little bit. And then on top of that, I went in with my Juvia's Place 2 palette to just give some more concealer on top of that bad boy. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. So my number one con with this unit is definitely going to be the fact that you can't really get as many styles as you want out of it, because the more that you try to part it, it's going to definitely give you more issues with tangling. The shedding on it wasn't too bad, even though it did shed a little bit. The tangling was way worse, honey. It wasn't anything too crazy or overwhelming, but definitely made me just just only do this one style for you guys. With this specific unit, definitely do note that if you are trying to manage and get multiple styles going, it's just going to get bigger and bigger, and it's going to shed more and it's going to tangle more. So I definitely would recommend kind of knowing what style you're going for prior to styling it, because if you do not know, honey, your hair is going to just be blown up and blown up and blown up. So that's the reason why I just ended up going with the side part, because I feel like it's cute. So that's probably actually the only con that I have with this unit. My pros with this unit are I really love the HD lace, honey. I really like the baby hairs on this one. They didn't go too crazy on it. I really love the curl pattern, of course. I feel like this just looks super realistic, so I'm all here for that. I think the length is really nice. The density is amazing. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. If you did, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up and any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.